Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing fine, and today I'll show you how to use Hoopla with your library card to borrow free audiobooks, movies, comics and more, all in just a few taps. So make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to do it. First, you have to ensure your device is connected to Wi-Fi. Mine is already connected. So now, simply go on onto your browser or open the Hoopla app. Search here hoopla.digital or simply tap on Hoopla and go on the first link. When you are in this interface, simply tap on login and you can sign up. Tap on sign up and here tap on let's go. Here you can choose any of the nearest library of which you have library card. Let me select that one and simply click on next, and here you have to put your library card number. Suppose this is my library card and your library pin number. Then agree to all the terms and conditions of Hoopla and you have to simply click on next, and that's it. You can now browse how-tos and happy listening and watching. See you in the next one.